So we are taking one more question, and this question is another type of simplex. We will try to solve it. Just look at this thing. Okay, what is this thing like? If we want to simplify, this is also maximization. We are all taking maximization question. So 8x1 plus 6x2, since less than, therefore plus s1 is equal to 25. Now another thing is 3x1 plus 4x2 less than equal to matlab plus s2 is equal to 15. We also know that x1, x2, s1, s2 is greater than equal to 0. Okay, and what we can say, maximize z is equal to 4x1 plus 3x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2. Okay, now we'll just put these values and we'll proceed with our solution. What is the solution? 4300. Any doubt? I think, is there anyone who is having any doubt? सर ये जो डीजेनरेसी हो रहा है इसका प्रोडक्ट का सेलिंग पर क्या असर पड़ेगा? कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा, कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये वही वैल्यू देगा, x1 नहीं चेंज कर रहा है ना. हाँ, एक चीज पे फर्क पड़ेगा, ये s1 s2 चेंज कर रहा है. क्या चेंज कर रहा है? s1 s2. बराबर. अगर सपोज करो एक बार वो s1 लेता है, एक बार s2 लेता है, तो वो बता रहा है पहली इक्वेशन में यहाँ पे स्लैक है, यहाँ पे बचत कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि तुम्हारा x1 x2 सेम रहेगा. करेक्ट. x1 इतना ही रहेगा और x2 कितना रहेगा? 0 ही रहेगा, या कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट इससे फर्क क्या पड़ सकता है? डीजेनरेसी से स्लैक पे इफेक्ट पड़ सकता है. नाउ यू कैन चूज विच स्लैक शुड यू अवॉइड. बट अगर ये कब कर सकते हैं? अगर ये एंड ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन पे है. इफ इट इज कमिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन, इट्स ओके. यू कैन अल्टर हाउ टू अवॉइड इट. हाउ टू, इफ आई वांट टू सपोज देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रेंट इक्वेशन. वन इज फॉर नंबर ऑफ टेबल्स and second number of tables and chair, and second is for hours, labor hour. How many labor hours are required? Suppose I can remove I can save slack, I can save labor, okay, from some solution if it is the final and it is also a regenerate type. So I'll prefer saving labor rather than prefer saving, suppose करो table and chair, if I am human resource centric kind of a person. But suppose करो मुझे लेना देना ही नहीं लेबर से, लेबर को लगने दो काम पे, टेबल चेयर बचा लो. समझ रहा है? पहले वाले कंस्ट्रेंट से अगर उसमें से कुछ स्लैक बच रहा है, स्लैक का मतलब क्या? समथिंग इज लेस यूटिलाइज्ड इफ इट इज लेस देन इक्वल टू. तो इफ आई एम एबल टू सेव, सपोज ये स्लैक अगर मैं बचा सकता हूँ, समझ रहे हैं, और ये टेबल एंड चेयर से रिलेटेड है, ये वाली कंडीशन टेबल एंड चेयर से है, और ये लेबर आवर से रिलेटेड है. समझ रहा है क्या बोल रहा हूँ? तो मैं प्रीफर क्या करूंगा? अगर मैं ह्यूमन सेंट्रिक हूँ तो मैं बोलूंगा नहीं, लेबर आवर में स्लैक बचने दो. समझ रहा है? और ये लोग क्या बोलेंगे? नहीं नहीं, एक काम करो, इसमें टेबल एंड चेयर में बचा लो, लेबर को काम करने दो. समझ रहे हो? कहीं पे प्रॉफिट, जहां पे उनको स्लैक बचाना है, क्योंकि मैक्सिमाइज तो हो ही रहा है. ओके, so we'll just take this question. This is important to be taken so that we at least complete 2. We have 15 minutes and we'll just take CJ. What is our CJ? CJ will be 4 3 0 0. Now we'll just put it here. x1 x2 s1 s2 RHS. RHS का भी RHS we consider it to be 0, 25 and 15. Okay, I'll just try to solve it fast. 8 6. If I make some error, put it in the chat. 1 0. Again 3 4 0 1. Again this will be 0 0. You can check it. And I already know this will be -4 and -3. After solving, we already know कि ये ZJ minus CJ में जो CJ रहता है वही आता है पहले इटरेशन में. Correct? So this is ZJ minus CJ. Right? Now what I'll do is I'll just try to find most negative, -4. So theta. Theta is what? BI by AI. So what I'll do? 25 by 8. Next is 15 by 3, which is equal to 5. 25 by 8 is around 3 point something, right? So this is least positive. Okay. So if this is least positive, this will be something which will be my key element, right? And what will leave? S1 will leave, and what will enter? X1 will enter. So I'm going to enter what? I am going to enter X1 and I am going to leave S1, and S2 will be as it is. S1 का value कितना है? 4. S2 कितना है? 0. Right? Just give me a second so that I can use this space properly. Okay. Now I have to use this, so this will be 1 0. ZJ minus CJ. So sorry. This will be 0, and S2 will be 0 1. ZJ minus CJ 0. Right? Now I need to make this 1. Correct? So if I want to make this 1, 8 by 8 is 1 already. So I need to, 6 by 8 is 3 by 4. 1 by 8 is 1 by 8, 0 by 8. so sorry yaar, this thing is literally disturbing. 1 by 8 is 1 by 8, 0 by 8 is 0 by 8, 25 by 8. If you want to find this will be 0. You can find this only in basic simplex. You can't find it in, you can even find it in two-phase or big M, but you don't need to find because those are artificial solutions. So you need not find those solutions. Okay. Now we need to find this. So this will be 24 minus 18, 6. Barabar? Sorry, 24 nahi. 32 minus 18, 14. 14 by 8 is 14 by 8 will be 5 by 4. 7 by 4. 14 by 8 will be 7 by 4. Correct. Just check with the answers if I'm wrong. Okay. Now 0 minus 3 divided by 8. Okay. Now we need to find this value. Minus 24 plus 24. 0, right? 0 divided by 8 is 0. Very nice. Just look at this thing. 8 into 0, 0. Minus minus plus. Plus 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. And just look at this thing. 15 into 8 is, I think, 120. 120 minus 75 will be how much? 120 minus 75. 45 by 8. Right? I am getting out which value? 45 by 8. Now I need to find this value. Why I am finding this value? All these values are positive, right? So this will be how much? 0. 100 by 8. 100 by 8 will be more like 50 by 4. 25 by 2. Just look at this thing. So I have got some value. What I have got? X1 कितना है? 25 by 8. x2 है ही नहीं क्योंकि h2 है, तो x2 कितना है? 0 and z कितना है? 25 by 2. Since all zj minus cj are greater than equal to 0. Is everyone okay with this? I'm just unmuting. Is everyone okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone, I'm asking everyone, just unmute yourself and give me the confidence so that I can proceed.
Yes, yes.
Confirm? Everyone? Okay. Okay. Nice. Now just look at the thing that I'm going to say. Whatever we did till now, what was happening? पता है, Zj minus Cj was greater than equal to 0. That was always the case. But Zj minus Cj used to be equal to 0 only for, this is important, only for basic variable. This is very important. Whatever we did earlier, whenever we did, even for the, when Zj minus Cj was greater than equal to 0 or for any iteration, even if you are getting, for the final iteration you can say, for final iteration, what was the thing? Zj minus Cj was always greater than equal to 0, but Zj minus Cj was equal to 0 only for basis variable. Now look at what are the basis variable here. I'll just choose another color to avoid the complexity for you. So see this thing. 1 second. x1 and s2 are my basis variable. तो x1 जहां पर भी है उसका zj minus cj 0 है. S2 जहां पर भी है उसका zj minus cj 0 है. अभी तक ऐसे ही होता था. ये एक स्पेशल केस है जिसमें ना नॉन बेसिस वेरिएबल, what I am saying, non basic variable is also having what zj minus cj equal to 0. Earlier क्या होता था पता है? zj minus cj only used to be positive for non basis variable. This is a special case. See, this is positive for non basis variable. This is a non basis variable x2 because this is not in the final solution. This is not in the final solution. Okay. So what I'm saying, this is a special case where zj minus cj is into the solution. Okay. As a equal to 0 for non basis variable. Okay. Okay. So we have concluded, but there is something which is striking our mind. This value. This is literally striking our mind. So what I'll do now, I will just use another color, and what I'll do, I'll try to enter this thing into the solution. Why I'm trying to enter? क्योंकि what did we assume? Most negative ले लेने का. अब ये ना negative है ना positive है, तो इसको हम enter कराने की कोशिश करते हैं. 1 second. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? इसको हम enter कराने की कोशिश करते हैं. Okay? Okay? अब इसको अगर हमने एंटर कराया, इसको अगर हमने एंटर कराया, ये वाली वैल्यू, सॉरी यार, this value if I am trying to enter, so what will be my pivot column? This will be my pivot column, right? I hope you're getting. So what will happen with this value? Just look at this value. This will become as 25 by 8 into 4 by 3, correct? So 25 by 8 into 4 divided by 3. This will be 25 by 6 if I am not wrong. Theta मैं बोल रहा हूँ, theta. Theta क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? 25 by 6, correct? अब यहाँ देखते हैं. Sorry, I am not able to see that black color. 45 by 8 into 4 by 7 will be 45 by 14. This black color is literally not visible. 45 by 14. Now just look which one is least positive out of this 25 by 6, 45 by 14. I think 45 by 14 is having something in the coincidence to 3 point something, correct? So 45 by 14 is least positive. So what will leave the solution if I am proceeding with this? S2 will leave the solution, right? Right? So S2 will leave the solution. X1 will be as it is. S2 will leave, and what will enter? This one will enter. Just look at this thing. This one is my X2, correct now? This one is my X2. So X1 will be as it is. X2 will enter. What are the values for this? 4 and 3. Just get it.
सर लीव क्यों करेगा? पॉजिटिव है तो.
पॉजिटिव का है वो 0 है.
लेकिन नॉन नेगेटिविटी नहीं है ना उधर.
फिर वही मैं बता रहा ना, मैं एक स्पेशल केस बता रहा हूँ जिसमें नॉन बेसिस वेरिएबल 0 हो रहा है. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है नॉन बेसिस वेरिएबल 0 रहे. तो मैं नॉन बेसिस वेरिएबल जो 0 हो रहा है उसको लीव करके कुछ और डालने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ओके ओके, जस्ट लुक एट द सॉल्यूशन, यू विल गेट टू द आंसर. जस्ट लुक एट दिस थिंग. नॉन बेसिस वेरिएबल 0 नहीं होता कभी, अभी तक नहीं हुआ. ये पहला केस है जिसमें नॉन बेसिस वेरिएबल 0 हो रहा है. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. ओके, नाउ जस्ट लुक एट दिस थिंग. नाउ x1 क्या है? 1 0. x2 क्या है? 0 1. इनका zj minus cj क्या रहना चाहिए? Since these are basis variable now, this will be 0 0. Now we need to find all the other things. Yeah. So what will be my key element? Just look at the key element. Key element will be 3 by 4. तो 4 by 3 से multiply करेंगे. Correct ना? हाँ. 4 by 3 से, if I am not wrong, key element क्या है? नहीं की एलिमेंट ये है, सॉरी
7 by 4.
हाँ I saw 7 by 4 की एलिमेंट है ना बेटा. दिस कलर इज लिटरली हॉन्टिंग मी. 7 by 4 तो 4 by 7. तो जस्ट लुक एट दिस थिंग. 0 into 4 by 7 0. 7 by 4 into 4 by 7 1. minus 3 by 8 into 4 by 7 will be minus 3 by 14. Okay, now this will be 4 by 7. This will be, I already know 45 by, I already know जो भी थीटा रहता है वो यहाँ पे आ जाता है RHS में. हमेशा याद रखने का, करके देख लो, यही बनेगा. 45 by 14. 45 by 8 into 4 by 7 will be 45 by 14. Now we need to find this value. Just look at this value. What will be this? 7 by 32, right? Yeah, 7 by 32 plus 9 by 32. 7 plus 9 will be 16. 16 by 32. 1 by 2 into 4 by 7. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 4 by 7. How much it is? How much it is? 2 by 7, correct? Now we need to find this value. How will we find 0 minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 7? So minus 3 by 14 if I am not wrong. We need to find this value. Just look at this value. This will be 7 by 8 into 4 by 7. 7 by 8 into 4 by 7. What I am getting? 1 by 2. Okay, just look at these things what I am doing. Now we need to find this value. 7 by 4 into 0 into minus 0 into 1 is 0. So 7 by 4 into 4 by 7. 7 by 4 into 0 है 0 minus 0 into 1 0. 0 into 4 by 7 will be 0. Now again look at this thing. This is all coming out to be positive. We need to find this value. We will again find this value. This will be like 25 into 7 is 175 by 32. 175 minus 135. 45 into 3 is 135. So what I am getting is 40 by 32. 40 by 32. What I am saying is 40 by 32 into 4 by 7. So this will be like 1, 8, 1, 5, 5 by 7. What I'm getting? What I'm getting? Pi by 7, right? Is it right? Yes or no? Is it right? So now look at this thing. Again, what I'm saying, all Zj minus Cj is greater than equal to 0. But what is happening now? These two are basis variable. X1 and X2, you can see here, X1 and X2 are basis variable. What is happening? This is a non-basis variable, which is again giving Zj minus Cj equal to 0. ठीक है? Is it giving Zj minus Cj equal to 0? Yes. ठीक है? If you try to find this value, Z optimum, again if you try to find, you will get the same value, 25 by 2. Try to find it. Try to find it. 4 into this plus this into this. I am not even able to see the color. Okay. So what I am saying is, if you try to do this 4 into 5 by 7 plus 3 into 45 by 14, you will again get 25 by 2. Okay. So what I am saying, now you are getting something where x1 is equal to 5 by 7, x2 is equal to 45 by 14. Okay. I hope you are getting, and z is equal to 25 by 2. What we are getting earlier was, just look at the earlier solution. x1 कितना था? 25 by 8. I'll just put it here. x1 कितना है? 25 by 8. x2 कितना है बेटा? 0. And z is again equal to 25 by 2. This is a miracle. Okay. So this kinds of solution, just look at this solution. This kinds of solution, okay, जहाँ पे zj minus cj is 0 for non-basis variable. And what I'm putting, if zj minus cj is equal to 0 for non-basis variable, okay, in final iteration, okay, such solutions are called as having alternate optimum. What I am saying, these solutions will have, I hope you are getting, these solutions will have alternate optimum. Now what you can do, suppose ये tables and chair है, तो आपको एक solution क्या बोल रहा है, number of table कितना बनाओ, 25 by 8 बनाओ, chair बनाओ ही मत, chair 0 रखो तो भी आपको profit maximum मिलेगा. दूसरा क्या बोल रहा है, number of table 5 by 7 बनाओ, number of chair कितना बनाओ, 45 by 14 बनाओ और फिर भी आपको optimum मिलेगा. Is everyone okay? Is everyone okay? I have given you the authority to unmute, yaar.
Yes, sir.
Please be vocal when I'm asking you. Is everyone okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen. इसका फायदा क्या? एक तो ये 0 आ गया, रुक भी सकते थे. इसका फायदा बताऊं क्या है? यहाँ पे देखो. Please ध्यान देना. यार अल्लाह, what is this thing happening with me? This pen is very sensitive, I think. Hopefully I have not stopped. Okay, I have stopped the screen sharing. Just wait for a second. Where is that, yaar? Okay, just give me a second. I need to complete this thing. This is a problem. Just give me a second. I just need to finish. What I'm saying, देखो, Z1, just let me finish. 1 minute I'll take, just 1 minute. Z1 was coming out to be 25 by 8 for x1 is equal to something, some value which was a fraction. It was not an integer, it was a fraction. Correct? Again, फिर से z में जब निकाल रहा था second time, तो फिर से z क्या मिल रहा है? Z1 मत बोलो, z. Again it is 25 by 8 for fractions. Correct ना? For some fractions. ये कब फायदा करता है पता है? Suppose करो ये वाला solution integer दे रहा हूँ. क्या दे रहा हूँ? Integer दे रहा हूँ. और ये वाला सॉल्यूशन क्या दे रहा हूँ, x1 x2 जो भी है, सपोज करो ये अच्छा इंटीजर दे रहा है और ये क्या दे रहा है, सपोज करो एक इंटीजर एक फ्रैक्शन या दोनों फ्रैक्शन, तो विच सॉल्यूशन विल यू प्रेफर? जस्ट लेट मी नो.
Integer.
Because you want to make something which is whole, you can't make half of a product, correct? So this is the advantage. If you can even get an integer solution if you try for alternate optimum, and this integer solution will avoid your wastage of material. If you are not going to go for integer programming, then only you can opt for it. Okay, So this is what I wanted to say to you. Okay, are you okay with it? Alternate optimum. How do you identify alternate optimum? Just give me a second. How do you identify alternate optimum? Anyone? Zj minus Cj is equal to 0 for पहली condition क्या है? All Zj minus Cj should be greater than equal to 0. This has to happen in final iteration. We are only considering final iteration. What I am saying, all Zj minus Cj should be greater than 0 and Zj minus Cj is equal to 0 for, can anyone repeat? Is equal to 0 for anyone? I am hoping you to respond. So sorry. For non-basis variable. Okay, so we can have alternate optimum. Okay, and first question was about degeneracy. What is the thing of about degeneracy that you can say? You can have two same solutions. Okay, either in intermediate, okay, iteration, just remember what I am saying, or in final iteration, final and second last iteration. It is not like it is compulsory for final and second last iteration. Here in degeneracy, there is nothing like Zj minus Cj should be greater than equal to 0. This condition is not at all possible, important. This is not important. Okay, this may happen or may not happen. This is not an important consideration. What is important consideration? If you are getting two solutions in between the iterations, whether it is last and second last or any other iteration within the solution, those solutions are called as degeneracy in nature. Is everyone okay? Okay.